So today we are going to be making Caesar salad, and this is a super easy salad to make. It's personally my favorite. There's something about Caesar dressing that I just really love. It's kind of bitter, it's salty, it's just a really good salad, and it's a crowd favorite. Like, a lot of people like Caesar salad, and you don't have to worry about somebody saying, oh well, I hate boiled eggs in my salad, or I don't like ham in my salad, or like whatever, if you make some other kind of salad. But this is like just a really great basic recipe. It's only 3 ingredients, and you can pair it with either homemade Caesar dressing, which we have a video of on this channel, or you can get your favorite in the store. My personal favorite is Brianna's Caesar dressing. It's delicious. All of their dressings are really great. I don't have a bottle right now, I'm out, but it's delicious and you can't go wrong. It's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth the price. It's really great. So anyways, so this is Caesar salad.
Okay, so normally you would use romaine lettuce, and I think this might be romaine lettuce. I ordered this with Instacart and it wasn't what I was expecting. So anyway, so when you have a really big head of lettuce like this, I like to chop it in half, and then I like to chop those halves in half. So essentially I like to quarter it. You want to cut off the root end, and I also like to cut off the very tip. I feel like it's just a personal preference. I think the leaves at the top get kind of, I think they have a weird texture. Anyway, so then I'm just cutting this up really roughly, like kind of in about bite-sized pieces, about 1 inch. And with a head of lettuce this big, and with romaine specifically, because it has so many leaves and layers and things like that, I prefer to chop it and then wash it. So that's what I did. And I'm just cutting off the ends and then into bite-sized pieces. And it doesn't have to be perfect or super pretty, because it's a salad. So I rinsed this in the sink, and I didn't record that because there's dishes in my sink. You don't need to see my sink. And now I'm just spreading this out on a paper towel. If you have a salad spinner, that's great. You can just, spin this up in the salad spinner. I don't have one. So I'm just spreading those out on a paper towel, and then I'm just going to gently pat them so that they get kind of dried off. So now I am taking the lettuce, and I am going to put that in a bowl. So that then we can add our salad toppings. Okay, so I have my lettuce in a bowl. I've got about 3 or 4 cups of lettuce in here. And then I have some Parmesan cheese, and I'm just using my vegetable peeler, and I'm slicing off strips of Parmesan. You could use shaky cheese, you could use pre-shredded Parmesan cheese, but for a regular Caesar salad, it's romaine lettuce, Parmesan cheese, and croutons. You could also add anchovies if you wanted to. Anchovies add like a salty bite. I'm not a fan of anchovies myself, but I've been told that they are not fishy, but they're just salty, so But also, anchovies are kind of expensive and a little bit niche, so if you don't have to have them, I wouldn't bother. So then I added some croutons. I am using the Olive Garden ones. Those are my favorite. And there it is, a Caesar salad. It's so easy to make. If you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.